She's back in the water, back in the marina, but we're not done yet. We had to get towed in, the engine wasn't ready. Now it's full on recovery mode, cleaning, testing, detailing, getting her ready for the season. Surrounded by giants, we might look small, but this crew knows what it takes to get her moving again. We tied up safely in the marina, one of the better environments to work in after the chaos of the shipyard. But we arrived here told the engine needed attention. The engineers got to work straight away, inspecting, troubleshooting, and making adjustments. Not ideal, but nothing we couldn't handle. With the boat now docked, it was time for the rest of the crew to step in. We began the full cleanup, from deck wash down to scrubbing thick decks, polishing stainless steel, detailing lockers, and scrubbing all the grime from the hull out. It's the part of the job that gets us back into the rhythm and makes her shine again. Filthy. This is the most dirtiest part of the boat. It's been abused, been used, this deck. Lots of dirt in her from 6 months of neglect. All clear. Where we're docked now, the surroundings are humbling. We're next to some of the biggest mega yachts in the world. From this angle, we look small, but that doesn't matter. What matters is the heart and work behind the scenes. This crew got that in spades.
Super mega yachts. Super mega yachts.
Super yacht. It's called super yacht. We're only a mega yacht, but this one is a super yacht. After a few days of effort in the engine room, we finally got the all clear. Time for a quick sea trial. The engineers did their part. Now it was time to test it all out. Alright, finally off the dock. Off the dock with our own engine. So we're going for a quick sea trial, guys. Quick sea trial, and then we'll see what's gonna be the outcome later on in a couple of hours or so. ka? I think we're full speed now. You can feel the speed. I think it's the pedal on the metal. You think it's full speed now? We returned to the dock with everything performing smoothly. A short trip, but a big one in terms of what it means. Back alongside, we picked up where we left off. More cleaning, detailing, and organizing, and bringing everything back on board. The final prep to get this boat ready for the next chapter. Yeah man, we're here. This is cloudy. It may not be as dramatic as Long's Day, but this moment coming back to life is just as powerful. Every coil of line, every polished rail, every quiet sea trial, it all means one thing: she's coming back. Thanks for joining us. The season ahead is going to be something special. See you in the next one.